Hey folks, welcome back here to the Vegas Don Channel. Just had this park ranger pull a U-turn right in front of me. And then, I'm not sure if he's pulling the car over in front of me or not, but... We are out here off of Lakeshore Drive, right next to Lake Mead, here in just east of Las Vegas. And approaching Hoover Dam. Speed limit 35, so I don't want to get too close to Mr. Park Ranger up there. They are law enforcement officers. Really windy day here. Winds are right around 22, 23 miles an hour. At least that's what they've been. Hemingway Harbor. Goodness. Hemingway Harbor area here off to our left. Reduced speed ahead. Okay. And there they go. Looked like that's what he was going after. Proceed with caution. Speed limit 15 through this little gantry on this side. And there is someone there, so they're collecting a toll there, it looks like. Still on Lakeshore Drive, State Road 166 here in Nevada. Proceeding southeast, according to the GPS. U-Haul with the headlight out there approaching us. Historic Railroad Trail off to our left here. That is another popular hiking trail here. Visitor Center, Park Store. Like they've got some solar panels, yep, little solar panels out there to power their operations. Right lane must turn right. We're gonna make this left here. Head out here towards the dam, Hoover Dam. And there's Lake Mead out there, off to our left or north. And then we've got Hoover Dam Lodge Casino there on our left. We'll go ahead and get over in this lane. Wind advisory next 3 miles. That makes sense. Hoover Dam, half a mile. Hoover Dam, 1/4 mile. Hoover Dam Lodge and Casino here, La Villita, right there. $3.94 for a gallon of regular unleaded here at this Chevron, Hoover Dam gas. We are junctioning now with Interstate 11 and US 93. Kingman and Hoover Dam cattle guard there that we just went over. Those metal grates, for those unfamiliar, those are for usually for wildlife, especially cows, because they are scared to cross the metal grates. Come through this little tunnel here. Las Vegas back to our left. We're going to go around the little traffic circle here. And there we go. Hoover Dam Bridge Walkway, security checkpoints. Hoover Dam. A little zigzaggy out here. Visitors welcome, 5A to 9P. Out here at Hoover Dam. And then you have squiggly S-curves and things of that nature as we get up here into Hoover Dam. There's nothing to see from the Interstate 11 bridge over the waterway. Nothing to see at all. No controlled substances, no drones. Canine search, the sign said there. Subject to canine search. They just carved these roadways right into the mountains like this. Fun stuff driving these roads, in my humble opinion. Security checkpoint ahead, K9 unit ahead. State Road 172, it says Nevada Highway 172, so I guess it doesn't have a name other than its sign 172. Lakeview Overlook. Here off to our left. Drink water. Well, that's good advice. Another traffic circle up here. Hoover Dam Central Warehouse here off to our left. And then we are going to go around this little thing here. No parking, emergency vehicle only, cars only, no trailers. That would be us. And we are auto. Hoover Dam security checkpoint, U.S. Department of the Interior, Bureau of Reclamation. You can see the time there on the little wall. It's actually kind of busy for 20 to 5 on a Saturday afternoon. Gonna go ahead and pause it while we wait for these cars. All right, we're about to get through here and find out what the questioning is. Sorry, my window doesn't roll. No, sir. You got it. No guns, no drones. That's all they ask you. Ooh, little speed bump action there. Not in service. Please proceed. And you have Interstate 11 going right above us here. Slippery when wet. enforcement unit there off to our left. Hoover Dam tours. You can see all the electrical infrastructure in place here to take advantage of the hydropower. Speed limit is 25. Scenic view from the bridge right there to your right. So if you want to get out and walk up there, that's the path you would take. See a big cell tower there right there in front of us. That's funny. And next to all these electrical structures. Hoover Security Response Force here off to our left. Drop to 15 in here. This is the road to Hoover Dam. And there is the bridge, Interstate 11 bridge, the Pat Tillman Bridge. Directly in front of us. And we do a little U-turn action here. No trespassing. Look at that bridge. That's cool. See it from this view, this angle. Raised crosswalk, low ground clearance, okay. And you pay $10 to park here on the Nevada side at that parking garage on our left. Gift shop and cafe are over here where you pay to park. You don't realize how big some of these mountains are around us until you get down here, and then you look up and it's like, wow. Someone's child is trying to climb there. Nevada time is 4:45 p.m. according to the clock there. This guy wants to turn left. Authorized vehicles only. He's got a whole bunch of them coming out of there. I don't know. Is that a one-way? I don't know what he's doing. But this is the bridge over the Hoover Dam right here in front of us. It begins right here. This used to be the only way that you could get over or around Hoover Dam. This used to be a lot of truck traffic through here, of course, for interstate commerce, things like that. Before they built the bridge, the Interstate 11 bridge there. But right now we're going over the waterway here on Hoover Dam. Or as Clark W. Griswold might say, the Dam Dam. Temperature right now 117. It's also 4:45, so Arizona time there off to your left, it says 4:45 as well. That changes come the winter though, when Nevada drops back and Arizona does not. Very pronounced law enforcement presence out here. Still 15 in here. And then there's parking on this side, the Arizona side, that is $10. but I believe that's only at the very first one, the very first parking lot, and then they have additional ones up the way, up the side of the mountain here, that are free, but you of course have to walk further. And we've got a mother and child here in the median, not sure why. What are they doing? What they're doing. This is parking lot 10, it says. And then you have the Welcome to Arizona sign. Grand Canyon State welcomes you. Right here directly in front of us. There it is. Another overlook up here. It's still 15 in here. Parking lot 12. But these little lots here are free to park. And so we're going to go ahead and park right here. For a moment, while we do, we want to say thank you for joining us. We really, really appreciate each and every single one of you. We would not be here without you, and that's a fact. Thank you for coming to cruise with us. Please do like, follow, and subscribe to us on YouTube and TikTok if you haven't already. It helps the algorithm, helps recommend us to other viewers, so that we really appreciate that. Like the kids say, smash that like button. And then check out our shop section on YouTube. We have these awesome Vegas Don shirts with the Vegas Don logo on top of the Las Vegas Strip skyline there. And always remember that here on the Vegas Don channel, it's the journey. We'll see you next time, folks. Be safe out there.